Hello everyone, today our group will be talking about what is diglossia and what are its key characteristics. Our group members are HUIZI, TONGLE, Nasrin. Okay, first, the definition of diglossia. Diglossia is a core concept in sociolinguistics. The term diglossia was the first introduced by Foxon 1959, who defined it as a relatively stable state of language. In this state, two language variants coexist in a language community and perform different social functions. Then it has two types. Firstly, high variety. It is formal, and the French is high variety. The first point is the its variety is usually also standardized. The second point is learning through the social systems or religious education. Secondly, is low variety. It is informal, and the English is low variety. The first point is the L variety used in more personal settings, and the second point is learned nationality in the family and the community. What's more, both varieties are distinct and complement each other. Okay, move on.
Okay, everyone, I will go on key characteristics of diglossia. I divided it into 6 points. The first one, functional separation. For high variety, it is used in formal contexts, for example, education, religion, media, and literature. For low variety, it is used in informal setting, for example, daily conversation and folk tales. I make a comparison for you. For example, in the Middle East, the classical Arabic and the colloquial Arabic dialects. The second one, prestige. Each is perceived as superior, logical, and elegant. L is often stigmatized in formal contexts. For example, in Haiti, French is associated with authority, while Haitian Creole is seen as less educated. The third is acquisition. L is acquired naturally at home. H is learned through formal education. For example, Swiss German is spoken natively, while Standard German is taught in schools. The fourth is standardization. H is confined with grammar, dictionary, and literary traditions. L lacks standardization. For example, Standard British English in Malaysia and Malaysia Colloquial English, which incorporates local dialects. The fifth is stability. Diglossic situation persists for centuries. For example, Arabic diglossia has existed for over a millennium. The last one is lexical and grammatical difference. H includes technical term. L used logicalized vocabulary. For example, Standard German remain 4 nouns keys, while Swiss German use 3.
Now, let's take a look at some real-world examples of diglossia, which show how two language varieties function different within the same community. First, in many Arabic-speaking countries, there is a clear distinction. The high variety is modern standard Arabic, which is used in formal settings like news broadcasts, official documents, and education. Moreover, the low variety includes regional dialects such as Egyptian Arabic or Levantine Arabic, which are used in every conversation. For second, we have the case of Switzerland, where people use Swiss Germany in daily life. This is the low variety. However, for writing, education, or media, they switch to Standard German, the high variety. So even though they speak one form at home, they learn and use a more formal one is in school. And lastly, let's look at Haiti. Here, French is the high variety. It's used in government educations and official writing. But most people speak Haitian Creole, the low variety, and at home and in daily life. For this example, help us understand how diglossia isn't just about helping two languages. It's about the social roles they play and how people switch between them based on the situation. In conclusion, diglossia is a linguistic phenomenon where two distinct varieties of the same language are used by speech community in different social contexts. The high variety is typically used in formal, like education, religions, and official communication, while the low variety is used in everyday conversation. Key characteristics of diglossia include functional separation, stability over time, and the consistency of both varieties within the same culture, each serving its own specific role. For today, thank you for listening.